Hey guys, it's Liv and this is Weekly Liv number 14. I am super duper excited. I feel like I haven't done a sit and chat part of my Weekly Liv in quite a while because obviously I was away in Wellington. My camera's gonna die because it died on the way here, so I'll have to tell you guys what I was gonna tell you later, but I just want to show you guys how red I am and tell you that I legitimately had the best workout I've had since I used to have a PT. Like, I'll put in my workout summary here from Fitbit. Oh my giddy aunt, I am so sweaty, so sore, and I feel amazing. So yeah, just wanted to share that with you guys before my camera dies. Sorry if I'm still panting, guys. I'm like still really tired from the gym, but we haven't had croissants yet for Easter, so we're having them today. And we had them with ham and cheese. I'm just gonna show you when they're done because I'm like about to die of starvation. Does this not look heavenly? Like, goodbye sweet angels. See you soon. Oh, that cheese melt. Focus. This is breakfast. I'm still having protein, but I'm having these because I don't even care. Oh. Good morning guys. It is Tuesday morning and I am up bright and early, not wearing my Fitbit. Let's go rectify that before I go to the gym without my Fitbit, and then I actually drive home and get my Fitbit because that's how much I'm not going to work out without a Fitbit. Today I don't have work. Like I mentioned, teachers have Tuesday off if Easter is in term time, which is awesome. I think it's just because Easter's a time to spend with family and usually it would be in the holidays, so I think that's why we get that extra day, which I really appreciate because it is annoying not having Easter in the term holidays. Oh my gosh, I thought my camera was broken, but it was like my watch strap covering the lens. Before I forget, let me show you guys the two things that arrived at my mum's house yesterday. I bought both of them myself before I show you guys. This thing is these protein bars and they are so yum. They're by Nothing Naughty, which is a brand that's actually in Tauranga in New Zealand, and I got the pineapple flavour. I don't know, let me open it up because I want to show you guys the ingredients. I really love the ingredients on these. Like there's, I think the only like sugar that's in here is in the chocolate. There's no like sugar on the actual inside of the bar. There's no artificial colors, flavors, or sweeteners, so it's all like natural, but it's not like cane sugar, if that makes sense, apart from in the chocolate. But they're so good. You keep them in the fridge. I've got my own little dispenser, so I might have one of those at the end of the day. I kind of have them as like a dessert because it's like a protein rich dessert. And then the next thing that I got were these, and these are supposed to be kickback like ankle straps for the cable machine. I had to buy a left and a, well, I didn't have to, but they had like left foot, right foot, so I bought one of each, but then I was like, surely it doesn't matter because you just swap it in between. But anyway, I bought two. They were literally like no more than $3 New Zealand. I feel like they were like $2.50 from eBay. I'll leave them linked off down below if I remember. So I just got back from the gym and my new like ankle strap things for the weights worked really well. I just wore them around my ankles the whole entire time that I was at the gym, so I didn't have to keep taking them on and off. They worked really well, although I found kickbacks like awkward, so I need to practice those. But yeah, I had a good workout as a whole. Can you guys let me know, I think I filmed this to put into the last vlog, but I'm pretty sure I didn't put the clip in. Can you guys let me know what sort of things you'd like to see in these vlogs? Like, is me talking about my fitness journey boring to you, or do you want to see more of it? Like, please let me know. And like, do you like seeing my food? Do you want to see me talk more about beauty, or are you just like happy to go along with the ride? Out for lunch with the fam. Bacon and eggs as per usual. Was in my pocket. Look at those chips. And then that's my newest one. Oh my gosh, that is huge. So that was like the first half of my day. Then after I went to mum's, I went straight to Kmart to pick up some stuff, and then Corby was like, oh my god, the Avengers tickets are on sale, so I bought us tickets to Avengers on the 26th. So I didn't get the first day of tickets. If I'm being completely honest, I thought I had chosen Wednesday, but I'd chosen Thursday. I was having so many issues with the cinema app. Like, honestly, it took me like 4 tries to even check out. It was just like a disaster. It was honestly like hectic. I was like panicking because tickets to Marvel movies always sell out so fast. Like, we couldn't even get gold class because they were already sold out. Like, all of them pretty much for the first 3 days was sold out, and the Friday's my birthday, so I don't really want to go on my birthday. Well, I'd love to go on my birthday, but I want to keep it free just in case we go out for dinner or something. Anyway, the reason why I came on here is I want to show you guys what I got from Kmart. First of all, my mum got Corpus some Maltesers for Easter, and then for me, because I told her I didn't want chocolate, she obviously got me some normal chocolates, but then she got me a bunch of Loving Earth chocolate bars, and I'm really, really excited because I love these. I think she said that she got me like the plain chocolate, salted caramel, and raspberry. So I'm really excited to give those a try. I bought this, and this is basically a shower caddy, and I'm pretty sure I've lost the hook, and if I have, I'm actually going to be so mad. I'm going to go back and get another one. Oh my god, it better be on my bench. Anyway, the other things that I got Corpus some more socks, because I know that he likes ankle socks, and I was just buying that sort of stuff today, so I just picked those up for him. And then I just bought 3 pairs of undies, and then I bought 2 G-string undies, just because these look so much better in workout gear, and these are like seamless, but they're cotton, because I don't like non-cotton underwear. And then ironically, I don't think these are cotton, but they were just so cute. I just bought this pair as well because they were $3. They're not cotton, but obviously I wouldn't wear these very often because they're pink, but I couldn't help myself. And then I also bought another workout top. I was going to buy some from Gymshark, but they are a little bit more expensive than I would like to spend. So this is just by Everlast, and it's just like a really lightweight material, and I think it's kind of like a singlet muscle tee kind of deal. So yeah, that's everything that I got. So it's bedtime right now, and I thought before I went to sleep I'd come on and talk to you guys about my sleep aid that I mentioned in my last vlog, because I completely forgot to talk about it. So I went and grabbed the little container, and this is it here. It is called Refuge. It looks like this, and I got it from explosivesupplements.co.nz. It's lemonade flavour. The taste, wouldn't recommend it, don't love it, but it, you know, it gets the job done. It's not disgusting or anything like that. Let me just tell you what's in here now. I don't know the full information on what each particular ingredient does, but you can find it online. Just look up Refuge reviews if you want to know what everything does. There is a warning on here though, because it's got a whole bunch of ingredients that are supposed to help you go to sleep. Some of them are like relaxants, some of them are to make you drowsy, and I find that it works so well. A serving size is supposed to be 1 scoop, but I have half a scoop, and I drink it in a cup like this, mixed up. Just make sure that I swirl it as I go. So from the minute that I take my first sip, and you know, once I finish the whole thing, I usually drink it within like 5 minutes or less. I am 100% droopy eyed within 15 minutes. I kid you not. I would recommend, if you're going to pick this up, start with a small dose and then work your way up. I don't think I'm going to need to ever work my way up because this works so well for me. I'm going to put my before here and my after from my Fitbit sleep tracking, because it's actually really interesting how much more sleep, or how different my sleep is when I drink this. I really enjoy it. I find that I sleep through the night. I just wanted to include this little segment in here because I had a lot of you guys ask me about it in like DMs and stuff after my last vlog. So yeah, I recommend it. It was $35 on special. I don't know how much it is retail, and you get 30 servings in there, but if I'm having half scoops it gives me 60 servings, so that's 2 months of sleep aid. More than 2 months actually, if I'm only having it 5 times a week. And yeah, I really enjoy it. I need to stay focused and finish this, and I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, happy hump day. Today is the first day of my working week, although it's not really my working week because I've got a course, but obviously as you can see I wouldn't wear a hoodie to a course, so I'm going to the gym. This is actually a cropped hoodie that I got from Zaful. If you didn't know what was happening in the last clip, basically I got up like a little bit earlier. I got up at like quarter to 6 to pick up the new Gymshark Energy Seamless set. I haven't bought a Gymshark set ever. I bought a pair of Gymshark leggings and they were quite bloody expensive, and I don't really like the style of them. They're like cotton leggings. I thought when I bought them, I didn't know that they weren't like, you know, that like legging material. They're like cotton, but these ones are like my kind of like my clique ones, like there's what's it called, compression, and I really like that, and they're like a beautiful khaki green, and and they've got little holes in the side, which I'm so sure my fat is gonna stick out of, but that's okay. So I bought those in a size small, and I got the sports bra as well. It's probably going to be extremely tight, but I thought better to buy a small because I'm only getting smaller. One more thing, the sun is about to blind me, so excuse that. I just wanted to say that today I'm trying my first 24-hour fast. I am really excited about it. The reason why you do 24-hour fasts, like I said earlier, I'm more than happy to do an intermittent fasting video as long as my head doesn't get ripped off, but apparently 24-hour fast is supposed to reset your metabolism, and I just thought since Easter and all of that chocolate and crappy food and like how lax I've been with my trip and with Corby's birthday, like even just like the past week and a half, I've only been truly intermittent fasting maybe like 50% of the time, so I wanted to reset and do a 24-hour fast. Back to my fast. I lasted 24 hours and 10 minutes, and I was gonna film my food before I ate it, but I forgot and I poured my sauce on top and it looked really ugly, so I was like, I'm not gonna film my sloppy meal because you guys will think it looks gross. But I just had steak with rice and peppercorn sauce, and I also had a protein shake, and then afterwards for dessert, I wouldn't normally give myself a sugary dessert, especially after a 24-hour fast, but I don't know about you guys, but when it's been Easter time, I try to get rid of my Easter chocolate. This is the last of my chocolate, and then I've got my Loving Earth stuff. So I had M&M mini egg, and my only cream egg of the Easter season, and my god, it was so good. Hey guys, I know I look like the Joker right now, but I've had a shower and stuff. I've had dinner, we had nachos, I probably got food in my teeth, but it was really good. I just came on because I wanted to try this on camera, because I feel like if I'm going to eat anything new, I need to show you guys. This is one of my ones that I got from my mum for Easter. This is the Loving Earth Raw Organic Raspberry Chocolate. Hello.
I didn't know where you were, and I was like,
I'm just trying this out.
oh, but when are you trying it out?
Like raspberry, do you want to try it?
No, I'm okay. But it looks good.
It is really yum. I really rate this. This one's delish. Tastes a lot darker than the other one. So I stole my flatmate's laptop and I'm watching Corpu's stream. I'll leave it linked off down below. Go check it out. Good morning and happy Friday. I cannot believe it's already Friday again. Sorry, I'm just gonna go grab my towel. I just went to the gym, just got back. I didn't do very much of my weights today because it was legs. I mean, not legs, I love legs. It was arms, and I'm pretty sure there never used to be a class on Friday mornings. I think they changed it, which is really annoying because I need like the weights in the like that room because I can only do baby weights, and I was kind of too embarrassed. But next time I will definitely just do my weights in the manly man area. Apologies for my neighbour's weed whacker once he turns it back on, which I'm sure he will. But this is my finished makeup. I am wearing the Colourpop double entendre palette. Sorry guys, it's loud, but basically I'm wearing the Colourpop double entendre palette. I'm wearing Christmas Cookie by Jeffree Star on my lips. Just looks like this. I really like the way that it turned out. I just used a black from a random palette on my eyes. Sorry, not on my eyes, on my lash line. And yeah, I'm just gonna leave my hair natural. Need to fix the parting. That's pretty much it. But yeah, this is basically my face. I don't know how much I'm going to be able to vlog because I've never met a majority of these people before. So I don't really know how I feel about vlogging. We'll see what the vibe is like, but I will keep you guys posted regardless.
Hazel, do you want a soju? Oh damn.
Of course my camera battery starts flashing the minute that we're going to Bonnie's. Ugh! Anyway, hey guys, Hazel's here. Hey! And we are going to Bonnie's at Index Studios. I'm obviously not going to be able to chat that much in the car because I want to get some footage of my brows, but we're going to get our brows done, and then after that we're going to go home. We have to go pick up Hazel's car because last night ended up being a banger, so her car's still in town. So we have to pick her car up, and then we're going to go home, and then we're going to go to a bulk food shop in Curbia, which is going to be really fun. Very excited. And yeah, that's basically what we're doing. I was going to have like an in-depth conversation with you, but I can't now because my battery's going to die. So anyway, it was really interesting. Before we go though, I ate so much food yesterday. Like I had hot chips for lunch because my kids earned hot chips. Then I had more chips at the like place we were drinking at, and then I had Korean barbecue, and then I had like 5 sugary drinks plus like soju, and I haven't put on any weight since the day that I did my 24-hour fast, which is crazy. Place I was telling you guys about. It's the fancy food place. Holy guacamole. You guys look at these. All of the mueslis. This one, I think I'm gonna get this one. Pretty sure these are Loving Earth. Finally having our hangover cure breakfast. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. This is what I got from the sauce. I got, God, I can't even remember what I got. Tricolor quinoa, because I want it for lunch. I got some really yummy looking granola, and then I got another granola. This is by Loving Earth, the chocolate brand that I like. These are called bikinis. They look real yum, so yes. And then I just bought a So I haven't really been vlogging that much today, guys, but we had a really good day. We were slightly seedy today, so we haven't done that much. Right now I just finished with a face mask, and I put on my Drunk Elephant oil before I go to bed. Not that I'm going to bed for a couple of hours, but anyway, we're about to watch some Riverdale. These are my brows, by the way. Once like the tint has been like washed off my skin, I find that it doesn't really stick to my skin that much. This is mostly just the tint on my brows, and I absolutely love them. I probably am going to stop going to Bonnie like every single time that my brows get unruly. So I'm probably going to pluck them. Sorry, that was just my leftover mascara. I'm probably just going to pluck them myself and then go see her every like 2 to 3 months just to do the shape, and I'm just going to do the upkeep myself, if that makes sense. So yeah, I mean, she does do really good prices. There's nothing to do with that. It's just that I hate having to have like super like fluffy brows all the time, which is a downside to any kind of waxing. But anyway, I'm going to finish the vlog here because we're just going to enjoy each other's company and have a really chill evening. I hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog. I hope it wasn't too long. I hope it wasn't too blah. Make sure you let me know down below what you want to see in these vlogs, because it helps me out a lot to know what to include and what not to include. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy this vlog, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave me some comments and questions down below. I love you guys, and I'll see you all very soon with another video. Bye.